Welcome to FactUp, where we uncover the minds that shaped our understanding of existence. Today we explore Anaximander, a pioneering philosopher from ancient Greece. Anaximander, born in Miletus around 610–546 BC, was a student of Thales and is considered one of the first philosophers to propose a systematic explanation of the natural world. His interests ranged from cosmology and geography to biology and physics, reflecting his wide-ranging curiosity and innovative thinking. Anaximander is best known for his concept of the Apeiron, the origin of all things and the source from which everything arises and eventually returns. This revolutionary idea moved away from mythological explanations of the universe and sought to understand the cosmos in terms of natural principles. Anaximander also proposed an early model of the Earth as a cylindrical shape floating in space, and developed a theory of evolution, suggesting that life began in water and gradually adapted to land. Anaximander's contributions to philosophy and science have had a lasting impact on Western thought. His concept of the Apeiron influenced later philosophers, and his ideas about the natural world paved the way for the development of scientific inquiry. Despite the limited availability of his writings, Anaximander's legacy endures through the influence of his ideas on subsequent generations of thinkers. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the pioneer of natural philosophy. Little is known about Anaximander's personal life, but he was born into a prominent family in Miletus and likely received an education that exposed him to the latest intellectual developments of his time. As a student of Thales, Anaximander would have been part of a vibrant community of thinkers dedicated to exploring the mysteries of the universe. Anaximander is believed to have traveled widely, which would have informed his work on geography and his understanding of different cultures and environments. Despite the lack of detailed records about his personal life, Anaximander's intellectual achievements speak to his curiosity, creativity, and commitment to understanding the natural world. Anaximander's famous quotes shed light on his philosophical ideas. He believed in the cyclical nature of existence and the balance maintained by the Apeiron, stating the source of coming to be for existing things is that into which destruction, too, happens according to necessity, for they pay penalty and retribution to each other for their injustice according to the assessment of time. He also challenged traditional views by suggesting that the Earth floats freely in space without any support, saying, "Earth is aloft, unsupported by anything. It remains in place because of its equidistance from everything." Anaximander understood the natural world as a dynamic, interconnected system where elements transform into each other, stating, "All things originate from one another and vanish into one another according to necessity." Although most of Anaximander's key works have been lost, they are known through later summaries and references by other philosophers. His treatise on nature outlined his cosmological theories, which included the groundbreaking idea of the Apeiron as the fundamental principle. Anaximander's innovative thinking also extended to geography, as he created one of the earliest maps of the world, illustrating the known lands and seas of his time. Moreover, his biological theories suggested that life originated in water and that humans and other land animals evolved from aquatic creatures. Anaximander's systematic approach to understanding the natural world laid the foundation for future scientific and philosophical explorations. Anaximander's cosmology was truly groundbreaking for his time. He introduced the concept of the universe originating from an eternal and infinite substance called the Apeiron, which surpassed the traditional elements of earth, air, fire, and water. This idea challenged the prevailing belief in a flat earth, or one supported by physical structures, as Anaximander proposed that the Earth actually floated freely in space. Furthermore, Anaximander theorized that the heavens formed a complete sphere around the Earth, with celestial bodies moving in circular orbits. This marked a significant departure from earlier beliefs and represented a shift towards naturalistic explanations of the universe. In addition to his contributions to cosmology, Anaximander is also credited with creating one of the earliest known maps of the world. His map depicted the Earth as a cylindrical shape and included known regions such as Europe, Asia, and Libya. This map not only served as a practical tool for navigation and exploration, but it also conveyed a philosophical statement about the interconnectedness of the known world. Anaximander's work in geography demonstrated his dedication to understanding the natural world through observation and rational analysis. Moreover, Anaximander proposed an early theory of evolution, suggesting that life began in water and that land animals, including humans, evolved from aquatic creatures. He believed that the first living beings emerged from moisture and gradually adapted to their environments. Although his theories were not as detailed as modern evolutionary biology, foundation for future scientific inquiries into the origins and development of life. Overall, Anaximander's legacy is one marked by innovation and intellectual curiosity. He challenged traditional mythological explanations of the world and sought to understand the universe through rational principles and observation. His ideas about cosmology, geography, and evolution influenced subsequent generations of philosophers and scientists. Anaximander's contributions to early Greek thought laid the groundwork for the development of natural philosophy and scientific inquiry. Despite the loss of much of his writings, his impact on Western thought remained significant, and he is remembered as one of the foundational figures in the history of philosophy and science.